In this episode of Paraphilic Disorders, we will review Frotteuristic Disorder. Now, a person with this disorder experiences repeated and intense sexual arousal from touching or rubbing against a non-consenting person. The arousal may, like with the other paraphilic disorders, take the form of fantasies, urges, or behaviors. Frottage, from the French, frotter means to rub, is usually committed in a crowded place, such as a subway or a busy sidewalk. The person, almost always is a male, may rub his genitals against the victim's thighs or buttocks, or fondle her genital area or breast with his hands. Typically, he fantasizes during the act that he is having a caring relationship with the victim. This paraphilia usually begins in the teenage years or earlier, often after the person observes others committing an act of frottage. After the age of about 25, people gradually decrease and often cease their acts of frottage.